In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate incredible Midjourney images. We'll keep this simple and fast so you can follow along and get great results right away. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is just the quickest way to get to the right place without typing long addresses. In the Google search bar, type Midjourney and press enter. You're looking for the official Midjourney website in the results. Click that listing to open the site. If you're taken to the Explore or Home page, you're in the right place. Make sure you're in the web interface where you can write and submit prompts. If you already use Midjourney regularly, you'll know this view. If not, just follow the on-screen layout and look for the prompt input field. Now it's time to craft a clean, powerful prompt. A concise example you can try is Dawn. XP65. Profile your profile. Stylize 35. Here's how to think about it. The word dawn sets the concept and mood. Soft light, early morning atmosphere. The parameters refine the behavior. Options like XP and stylize influence how interpretive or stylized the output becomes. The profile parameter applies your own saved preferences or style profile. Be sure to use your own handle or profile reference there. If you don't use profiles, you can simply leave that part out and keep the core idea plus the style settings. A few quick tips before you run it. Keep the main idea clear and short. You can always expand later. If you want a specific look, add descriptive words like lighting, materials, or camera style after the main concept, but avoid overloading the prompt. Adjust numeric values gradually. Small changes can have a noticeable impact. And double-check spelling and dashes so the parameters are recognized correctly. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Midjourney will queue your job and generate results, typically as a small grid of images. Give it a moment to process. If the output is close but not quite there, iterate by nudging one parameter at a time or slightly rewording the description, then submit again. If results don't appear, confirm you're in the correct prompt area and that your connection is stable, then resubmit. That's the full flow. Get to the Midjourney site, enter a clear prompt, fine-tune with parameters, and submit. Repeat this loop to reliably produce impressive, consistent images with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your own incredible Midjourney visuals.